This is lesson 2-3. In this lesson, we will learn how to find the slope of a line given 2 points, and we'll also learn how to write the equation of a line given the graph. So we'll look here at example A. So we're trying to find the slope of the line that passes between these 2 points. So it might be helpful if we first graph the line and see what it looks like. So we have a point at -3, 7. We have another point at -2, 4 right there, and we're looking for the slope of this line. So since slope is rise over run, the slope of this line is actually a decrease of 3 and a run of 1. So the slope, which we designate with the letter M, is -3/1, which is -3. So that's one way to find slope. Another way to find slope is using the formula slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Find the difference between the y values will give us the rise, and the difference between the x values gives us the run. So this is considered point 1, and this is point 2. So y2 would be this number 1 minus y1 is this other number 1. And then for the x values, x2 is -4 minus 3. So we end up with 0 over -7. So that's just a flat line. It doesn't rise at all. So the slope is 0. And in our third example, we end up with slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 gives us 4 over 0. 0 in the denominator is undefined, so we cannot calculate it. The slope is undefined. If we graph it, that ends up being just a vertical line. We have a point at 7, 3. 7, 3, and a point at 7, 1. It's a vertical line. So now we want to write the equations to these 2 lines. So we'll do the green line first. In order to find the slope of the line, you have to find 2 points on the line so that you can determine the slope. So it looks like to me that this looks like a good point, and right there is a good point. So using those 2 points, we can find the slope. So the rise is 2, the run is 1, so the slope is 2 over 1, which is 2. So in our equation, we have y equals 2x. The b value is the place where the line crosses the y-axis. So in this case, b equals 3. So our equation would be y equals 2x plus 3. For the purple line, we have 2 good points might be this one and this one. So from there, the rise would be -1. The run would be +3. So the slope would be -1 over 3, rise over run. So our equation is going to be y equals -1/3 x, and then the y-intercept on this one appears to be 4, so we're going to do +4.